Hello student, today we will do question number 3rd and 4th of question number 2 from exercise 4.1 NCERT math books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Okay. Question is third. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to Rohan's presenting. Let Rohan's present age be X and his mother his mother's a present age B. She is 26 years older than him, so she will be X plus 26. 3 years from now, after 3 years, Rohan's age is equal to X plus 3, and after 3 years, her not his, after 3 years, his mother's age is equal to X plus 26 plus 3 is equal to X plus 29. So according to question, product means X plus 3 into X plus 29 is equal to 360. If we'll solve this, if we'll multiply this, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x minus this is answer. We have to just form a quadratic equation, so this will be the answer. Now see question number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have been 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be x. Time taken to cover a distance of 480 kilometer equal to time is equal to distance by speed, so distance 480 by x. Now if a speed is equal to 8 kilometer less, means x minus 8 kilometer per hour, then time equal to time to cover same distance will be then 480 by x minus 8. Then according to question, 480 by x plus 3 is equal to 480 by x minus 8. This will be now we will bring this side and 3 this side. So this will be 480 by x minus 480 by x minus 8 is equal to minus 3. If we take common 480, then this will be 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 8 is equal to minus 3. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 8 is equal to minus 3. This will bring this side, so this will be divided. 480 will cut 16, means minus 1 by 160. This if we take LCM, so x minus 8, here will be x minus 8 minus x is equal to minus 1 by 160. This will be cancelled. Here will be minus 8 by, this will multiply x square minus 8x is equal to minus 1 by 160. Cross multiply, then this will be x square minus will be plus, then x square minus 8x is equal to this x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is answer. I hope you must have understood these solutions today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.